Hey guys, super quick, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to the St. Louis Car Museum. I'm Ian, and today we're featuring the 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. This Corvette is finished in Ermine White over bright blue vinyl. It's been fully restored with bare body repaint, fully rebuilt engine and transmission, new suspension, and it has an all numbers matching 327 cubic inch, 300 horsepower V8 and automatic transmission. With a slightly redesigned exterior, including 5 fender louvers, updated stinger hood for big block option cars as well, tri-power carburetor for 427 cubic inch V8s, and new rocker moldings, many enthusiasts find the 1967 model year Corvette to be the ultimate selection for any Corvette collection. The optional knockoff aluminum wheels were modified to be a bolt-on design for added safety with a center cap to hide the lug nuts, along with the absence of hubcaps in lieu of rally wheels instead. The interior of the 1967 Corvette also received a few changes, starting with the repositioning of the parking brake to the center console between the seats, including the removal of the dash grab bar for passengers and other more minor revisions. 1967 was meant to be a full redesign year, but the next generation C3 wasn't quite ready, with Duntov's approval. So instead, the 1967 ended up being a rather limited production run. This vehicle was recently inspected and serviced in-house. Our experienced team believes that this classic beauty could not be more ready for summertime fun and cruising. Hey guys, super quick, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like rare cars, you're gonna love the rest of our social medias too. So give those a follow, and I'll see you next time.